Sections 5.3 and 5.4 will be dealing with metric units and metric unit conversions. Because some of the measurements you'll come across will be in metric units, it's important that you have a working knowledge of them. The basic unit of length in the metric system is the meter, abbreviated M. All other lengths in the metric system are defined in terms of the meter and differ by powers of 10. For example, centimeter is exactly 1/100th of a meter, so 1 meter divided by 100. The kilometer is 1,000 meters, 1 meter times 1,000. Because metric units increase or decrease in powers of 10, they are named using prefixes attached to the basic unit. This is a table just for your reference of the most commonly used metric prefixes. Metric to metric length conversion. One great advantage to the metric system is how easy it is to convert between units, since all units are powers of 10. For length conversion, all units can be referenced to meters. An example, let's convert 3.1 meters to centimeters. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. We want to convert 2 centimeters, so centimeters needs to be on the top of the conversion fraction. The conversion fraction is 100 centimeters to 1 meter. We multiply that by our original unit, 3.1 meters over 1, and that equals 310 centimeters. A small table on this page also for your reference is some metric length units. Now let's do a metric to metric weight conversion. Let's convert 0.0062 kilograms to milligrams. We need to do 2 conversions for this. We need to convert kilograms to grams, then we need to go grams to milligrams. First, let's convert 0.0062 from kilograms to grams. The conversion fraction is 1,000 grams to 1 kilogram. So we multiplied the original number, 0.0062 kilograms over 1, times the conversion fraction, 1,000 grams over kilograms. We can cancel the kilograms in the numerator of the first one to kilograms in the denominator of the second one, and we're left with 6.2 grams. Now let's convert 6.2 grams to our desired unit of milligrams. The original number, 6.2 grams over 1, times the conversion fraction, 1,000 milligrams to grams. We can cancel the grams, and we're left with 6,200 milligrams. Now, to make this a little easier, you can do this in one long conversion equation. We can combine the 2 steps into one, 0.0062 kilograms over 1 times 1,000 grams to 1 kilogram times 1,000 milligrams to 1 gram. Now let's make sure all the units cancel so that we're left with milligrams. Kilograms cancel kilograms. Grams cancel grams. We're left with milligrams. And the final answer, when we multiply all this out, 6,200 milligrams. And there's a small table on the bottom of this slide with metric weights and mass units. Metric to U.S. conversions. In the U.S., we often have to do U.S. to metric conversions in addition to metric conversions. This is a table of the most common conversions between metric and U.S. units. The conversions are done exactly the same, but instead of powers of 10, we need to know the conversion factors to go from U.S. to metric units and metric to U.S. units.